Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make sorbet at home without an ice cream maker. First, select your favorite ripe fruit, like berries or mangoes, for optimal flavor. Next, you'll create a simple syrup by dissolving sugar in water. Then, blend your chosen fruit with this syrup until it's perfectly smooth. Finally, ensure the mixture is well chilled before moving to the freezing stage for the best results. Once your sorbet base is thoroughly chilled, pour it into a shallow, freezer-safe pan. Place it in the freezer for about 30 to 45 minutes, or until the edges begin to firm up. Then, using a fork or spoon, scrape the frozen edges towards the center of the pan. You'll repeat this scraping process every 30 to 45 minutes for approximately 3 to 4 hours, ensuring a smooth texture. The key to a smooth sorbet without a machine is consistent scraping. This breaks up ice crystals as they form, preventing a grainy texture. If you want an even smoother result, after a few hours of scraping, you can transfer the partially frozen sorbet to a food processor. Pulse it for 30 to 60 seconds until it's creamy, then return it to the freezer for its final firming. Before serving your delicious homemade sorbet, let it sit at room temperature for 5 to 10 minutes to soften slightly, making it easier to scoop. Serving it in chilled bowls can also enhance the experience. For storage, transfer any leftovers to an airtight container. It will keep well in the freezer for up to 2 weeks. A small amount of alcohol, like 1 to 2 tablespoons, can also help keep it softer.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.